Yo.
Don't know how to act now. Remember being broke, but now I got a couple racks now. Used to shop at Target, now I'm balling up in Saks now. I could give a fuck about what they think, I'll never back down. Lately I've been all up in my back now. Crazy how the closest to you searching for some cash now. I just keep on running up, I'm trying to make my dad proud. But I'm moving silence, get the back, we'll make the names ever change.
All right, so we're about to go to the wrap shop right now, and we just pulled up to Brett and Tim's house. What you got there?
Looks like a tire to me.
This is off my car right now.
We got more. Oh, you missed a whole lot. Oh, we got a nice one. This guy got shit though.
The tires aren't horrible though. They could be worse.
Hell yeah.
New sound.
Yeah, new side. They're gonna be here on Thursday, so we're good.
Shout out to who?
Shout out to Lexani
For sure.
for hooking it up. But we had to throw on the stock Dodge rims so I go crazy because
Beaters.
yeah, that's exactly what they are. That's what I'm turning them into. Yeah, we're out here right now. We got the M3, Mercedes, Cadillac. Yeah, he got the tire stickers on too. He did a better job than me though. Mine are messed up, but it's alright. We got some new ones at the house too. We get to fill those on. Copyrighted in here. I gotta go. Oh, what the hell? This is all my tire.
That's one side.
This one side, yeah, damn. That's crazy. Yo, somebody almost just tried to run him off the road on the highway. We were literally driving down. We were going a little bit fast, and the guy, he switched lanes. The guy swerved into him, rolled down his window, and they were all just flipping him off from the back window.
Bro, like if you don't want, hey, not my fault you don't got a fast car, bro.
Exactly. His car wasn't even that slow either. He was just butthurt. He was just having a bad day, yeah. He was having a bad day or something. There's the tires.
Oh my god, wow.
Dude, that is a lot. It's like half my tire, damn. Shit sounds crazy. It's loud.
I would have run it like crazy.
Damn.
I'm about to take it to the driveway.
Yo. This thing is dumb loud. What? What the hell? It's a Ferrari FF. He still didn't get the windows tinted. When he sees this clip, you gotta go with the windows tinted, bro. Okay, so we're chilling here right now. We just got a few ideas for my car, and we might have some big news coming very soon. But April 11th, we're still on for the wrap. All this coronavirus stuff is really messing things up because the shop might have to close down. A bunch of stores have to close down and stuff. They're putting everybody on quarantine, and they just made curfew at 8 p.m. I'm not going inside at 8 p.m. That's crazy. They literally have a curfew in New Jersey, Connecticut, and I think New York for 8 p.m., which is ridiculous, but I don't know. But we got some plans for my car. Get ready. It's gonna be crazy once we get the car done. But also, I'm putting the Lexanis back on tomorrow. Not tomorrow, Thursday, sorry. Cause I gotta go do a wheel alignment. We gotta put the new tires on the car, then put the tire stickers on. Huge shout out to Tire Stickers and Lexani for hooking me up with the fresh tires and stickers for the whip. But we're sitting in the car. You bored?
Get out!
Sir! Go ahead, Tim, spin it. He's not gonna spin it. He's front wheel drive or all wheel drive, one of the two. We're about to go get some food right now, and then see what goes on for the rest of the day. Oh. And then see what goes on for the rest of the day. She thinks that's funny. Oh, my traction control's on. I played myself. Yo, stop hitting me with your fucking lights all the way. At least my forehead's not gonna get the coronavirus. Hold on, tell me how we just rolled up to Chick-fil-A and DJ's in the freaking thing. Look. How you doing, buddy?
How you end up here?
What you mean? It's right down the block.
Oh, we end up at the same place?
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's so crazy.
Small world, my guy.
You see,
Oh my god, this line.
You got a charger where? Wait, okay. This is what they got going on inside Chick-fil-A right now. Everything is blocked off. You can't sit down. You can't sit down and eat anywhere in Jersey right now, I think. So they got cones everywhere. You can't sit at none of the tables or nothing. That's crazy. All right. So I just, man, the camera's all over the place. I just gave Tim a free shake because we just finessed the crap out of them. So as my shake was coming to me, as they were like making the shake, I walked over to the guy. I was like, I didn't get my shake yet. And then he went and made me another shake while this one was being handed to me. So I left with 2 shakes. He gave me it for free. So shout out to Chick-fil-A. I'm over here trying to grab this cherry. I just made a mess. But we're about to eat some food real quick and then I'm gonna pick back up the camera after, so let's go. So I was just on my Instagram looking through my DMs and somebody actually just ended up sending me my Mustang. They literally just sent me like where my Mustang is and everything and who bought it and stuff. So I'm looking at that right now and they actually took the drivetrain out of the car. They didn't even rebuild it or not. So I'm kind of upset about that, but oh well. Here's the post right here. Check this out. Here's a few pictures of it. I don't know. I didn't even know the tires were. All the tires still seem good, but here's the inside of the car if you guys didn't see. So I can see that windshield is literally destroyed right there. Airbag popped out. Another airbag up here. Airbag right here. Yeah, the bottom airbag came out. The whole front is like literally destroyed, as you guys can see. Damn, bro. Why does it look... Hold on. It looks so much worse in the pictures than it did in person, to be honest. I don't know if they like tore this car apart. That's probably why. But look, the rim was not like that. So I don't know if what they took out the front, but the rim was not like that. So... But it looks like all the tires are still intact. But this guy's selling all the parts for my car. So, I mean, if you want to buy anything, you can go ahead. But my name's literally still on the car and everything. Check this out. At Michael_Luzzi. Right there. That's funny, though. My Mustang is literally for sale right now. I miss this car so much, too. But we on to the scat wrap coming soon. April 11th, the wrap will be finished on the 19th. I'm going to go pick the car up on the 20th. Have a full wrap reveal, so that video is going to be crazy. So make sure you be on the lookout for that one. We got some big plans coming for this car. And it is now the next day. So we're going to finish up this vlog. So we're going to finish this vlog today instead of just cutting it off yesterday because I didn't want to half-ass the video for you guys. So now we are here. We got some new tires from Lexani. Huge freaking shout out to Lexani for hooking me up, guys. My tires were completely bald. I promise you that. I'm about to actually go get them in the backyard, so I'll show you. But I got to move this tire to my back seat, and then we got to put the Lexanis back here. So that's the plan right now. Oh, I probably just scratched everything. But all right, let's get it. As you can see, we turned these ones into drag slicks right here. This was multiple freaking burnouts, and guys, these tires are still full with air. Like, no air has came out at all. Huge shout out to Lexani. Their tires are literally the best. And now we're about to go throw on a new set. But yeah, this is with any tire. Like, any tire you have, if you're going to be constantly doing burnouts every day, this is what happens. Like, it's not just their tires. Literally every single tire you get. Look at DD's videos. They have, I think, Gladiator tires, and literally they go completely bald. It's every single tire. But we're gonna throw these in the car right now, head over to the tire shop, and I'm not gonna put these on the car yet because I gotta put the tire stickers on, but I'm gonna go switch these out with those tires, and then we'll get them balanced and then head to my house and put the Luzzi Scat on and go from there. Huge shout out to TireStickers.com too for hooking me up with some more tire stickers. But let's head there now. We're at the tire shop right now, getting them put on. That's for balance too?
Yeah.
For balance? Mm-hmm. Okay. Shout out Lexani. Damn. Peace out to the Luzzi Scat tires. Oh, there we go. We got the new Lexanis on right now. Time to go put some tire stickers on. And then let these sit overnight, throw them on the car, we'll be good to go. Close that up. let's get out of here. God, if you guys don't remember this tire place, I used to come in a lot with the Mustangs. I used to get a flat tire every week, so I had to buy a new tire every week, but I'm just not going back. Okay, we're driving with the seat up. But we out of here. I'll catch you guys when we get to my house, put the tire stickers on. And there we go. The tire stickers are done. I just skipped the whole process because
It was easy.
yeah, it was pretty easy actually. It was definitely a lot less work the second time because the first time obviously we had to learn how to do it. But now, super easy. Check out tirestickers.com. Check out Lexani Tires, Lexani.com. Check them all out. All links will be in the description. Huge shout out to them. We got to get these rims cleaned. Once I get them put back on the car, I'm going to go to car wash and then get some pics and stuff. Also, I got to throw my one-up lighting back on the car as well. And then we'll be back to 100%. It's going to look good. But I think we're done with this video.
Yes, we are.
You want to smack the camera and the outro right here. I love you guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
We are.
Peace out.
Boom.